Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to cover an PhD notification for July session 2021. Okay, and today we are going to talk about top three government institute of India which has released the notification for July session 2021. So as you can see on the screen, the first institute is IISER Trivandrum. Okay, so this institution has released the notification for PhD admission Varsa session 2021 means July session 2021. Okay, so first of all, you will see the online application portal will be open till 26 June 2021 at this website. So up to 26 June you can apply, and general eligibility criteria would be 7.5 CGPA in 10-point scale or first class equivalent or first class master degree in relevant area as declared by the respective university. Okay, and apart from this you should also have BE Tech degree. Okay, and the candidate must have qualified at least one of the following examination: CSIR, UGC NEET JRF or GATE or any other national level examination as mentioned below with validity as on 1st August 2021. And the candidate who has completed their bachelor in science and master in science from any of the IISER, IIT and IISc with CGPA 8 or above on 10-point scale, they are exempted from national eligibility test criteria. Okay, so here you can see the department relevant research area and given eligibility criteria. So biological science, here you can see biological science, chemical science, mathematical science and physical science. And research area are given here. So biological science and the corresponding research area, chemical science corresponding research area, mathematical science, physical science and research area are given here. Okay, and here we will see the important and selection procedure. So let's see the detail about selection procedure. So for biological science, all the candidates have to prepare a research proposal of 300 to 400 words which should be clearly well defined problem and what would be the solution for this problem, they should also mention. Okay, and shortlisted candidates will have to appear for an online interviews conducted by IISER TVM, and there will be two rounds of online interview conducted over 3 days. Okay, the final selection of the candidates will solely be based on the performance during the interview. So the final selection will be based on the interview. Okay, and for chemical science marks and for chemical science candidate marks based shortlisting and two rounds of online interviews. For mathematical science, applicants satisfying the above eligibility criteria will be shortlisted and we will be called for online interview. The selection will be based on the performance during the interview. And for physical science candidate, shortlisted candidates will be selected based on their performance in online interview. So these are the selection procedure for all the departments and important dates are given here. So online application portal open will be open up to 26 June 2021 and tentative dates for interview are given here. Biological science interview would be 7 to 9th July and for all the department tentative interview dates are given. Okay, and mode of examination will be online interview, you can see. And if we talk about the fee, so application fee would be 500 for general OBC candidates and rupees 250 for SC/ST physical handicap candidate. Okay, and many more information are given here. If you want you can check, and till now if you have not applied then you can apply. Okay, so next we will talk about the IIST means Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. So this institution has also released the notification for July session 2021. Here we will see the notification and the various links are provided by this institution means online admission portal, eligibility criteria, research area are given here. So we will see the notification first. When you click on this link you can see PhD admission regular July 2021 notification. Okay, so when you click on this link you will get the complete information browser. So here you can see the last date as well as given different departments. So the different departments are aerospace engineering, avionics, chemistry, earth and space science, mathematics and physics. Okay, eligibility criteria would be the applicant should be an Indian citizen and age limit should be below 35 years as on 24th June 2021, and age relaxation as per the government rules. So what will be the minimum qualification? You can see here applicants with master degree in engineering technology as their highest qualifying degree. Applicants with master degree in engineering or technology must have 65% marks or 7.0 CGPA on a scale of 10 or equivalent in the qualifying master degree. Okay, 60% marks or 6.50 CGPA on a scale of 10 for OBC EWS candidates, and 55% marks or 6.0 CGPA for SC ST PWD candidates. And the candidate should must have gate score. Okay, and however there is no gate cutoff score for applicants will MTech ME as the highest qualifying degree. Okay, so applicants with master of science in engineering or equivalent from leading foreign university with minimum CGPA 8. Okay, this information is for science candidate. And okay, and what will be the selection procedure? You can see here for candidates with MEM Tech as their highest qualification, selection to the PhD program will be based on online screening test followed by an interview. Okay, and however candidates with a valid CSIR NET GRF or lecturership post their MEM Tech will be directly called for interview through video conference mode. Okay, and applicant with master degree in science as their highest qualifying degree, they should have this kind of eligibility criteria, as well as the candidate should have any national level eligibility test like CSIR, UGC, NET, GRF, lecturership, fellowship or NBHM, JEST, GATE, and state government science and technology scheme in the relevant discipline. So for science candidates, selection procedure are given here. You can check the selection procedure. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and here you can see the screening test syllabus as well as uh, eligibility criteria. And research fellowship, you can see here 31,000 per month. Okay, and you can see the important dates. So here you can see the important dates for all the screening test exam and result related dates are given here. You can see it. Okay, and if we talk about the next institute, the next institute is triple IT. Okay, so this notification has come from triple IT Sri City Chittoor. So this institution has released the notification for full-time and part-time PhD admission. So this is the information for full-time and this is the link for part-time. So when you click on this full-time link, you will get the complete information brochure. Here you can see. Okay, so here this is the information brochure given. When you click on this link, you will get the complete information brochure. Okay, so we will see the department first of all. So department is CSE and corresponding research area are given here, and ECE branch and corresponding research area are given here. So total two departments are given here for PhD admission. And what will be the eligibility criteria? You can see here: master degree, MEM Tech in CSE related specializations, with bachelor degree, BE BTech in CSE or related branches with minimum of 60% marks. Okay, or aggregate marks should be 6.5 CGPA or greater than it. Okay, in UG and PG level. And for direct PhD admission, exceptional candidates having BE BTech in CSE or related branch from centrally funded technical institute CFTI with CGPA of 9.0 or above and demonstrated research potential by means of the research papers. So this is the information related to CSE department, and here you can see the information related to ECE branch. You can see it clearly. Please read it. Okay, and if you are interested, then you can apply. So for full-time PhD admission process are given here. Application fee will be 500 for general OBC candidates and rupees 200 for SC ST PWD candidates. So we will see last date for all applicants and what will be the process for submit the application. So to submit the application, all the candidates have to submit the Google form. So this is the Google form link. You have to click on this link and you have to fill your details and you have to send it. So last date for submission of application via online with relevant document is 12th July 2021. Means up to 12th July you can fill this Google form, and apply it. And last date for submission of hard copy of the application with the related documents via speed post or courier is 17th July 2021. Means the candidate have to send the hard copy also. Okay. And what is the process to payment of fee? Here you can see the payment process. The written test examination syllabus you can see for computer science engineering department, and here for electronics and communication engineering department. So here if you will get the chance for admission in PhD, then you will also get the fellowship here. Okay. And I hope this information will be helpful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Okay, thank you so much.